Gone to Tumblebums. Dylan's found his best friend ever. Dylan, Eva, are you gonna stay here?
Eva.
You want mommy to go home?
Eva.
Eva. That's your best friend ever. He's got nice ears. Do you want to kiss puppy goodbye? Oh, that's nice. Okay. Say bye, Dylan.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. 8.
I know, he saw the clock. You're lucky there's nobody coming down the slide. Okay, we're gonna go. Bye.